Okay, like what you tell me, I just highlight the important information. When such a question is given, always write down the scale first. So I'm going to write down the scale, but I put some space in between. 400,000. Is the unit given? Not given, right? The scale will never give you unit. But because, like what Rifty said, it must be in cm. So please include cm. The one on the left is for what? Math. The one on the right is the actual. Very good. Now look again. 10.7 cm is the one on the map. So should I write on the left or on the right? On the left. Very good. Let me write down. 10.7. A. But the original scale was 1. How to get number 1 to 10.7? How you know times? Small to big, right? Very good. Small number to big number, I multiply. Multiply by what? 10.7. Okay. If I multiply by 10.7 on the left, I must do the same on the right. Am I right? Can you press the calculator now? Okay, the good thing is after I press the calculator, I have the answer. Is this my actual answer? Why not? No, Nabila? Nabila, this answer, why do you say no? This is in centimeter, but just now you tell me it must be in kilometer. Okay, remember, like what you tell me, I must change the answer to kilometer. So let me write down kilometer. From centimeter to kilometer, we will need to divide by 10 to the power of 5 or 100,000. So now you can press your calculator again. Alright? 42.8. Is that the answer?
Yeah.
Then that should be the actual answer already. Okay? This tells us the length of the expressway for PIE. Okay, so I wrote down the scale. It must be in centimeter, even though they don't tell you. Oh, wow, very fast. So remember, the number on the left, Safa, number on the left is for what? The 1 cm is for what? Huh? Map. So let me write on top, this for the map. The 8,000 cm is for the actual one, right? Okay, let me write down. I heard what William said. Okay, very good. William said the actual distance is actually 600 meter. But presently, the actual one, is it in meter? It's in centimeter. So very good. William already said must change to meter first. How to change centimeter to meter? Very good, thank you. 1 cm. Am I right to say 80 meter? Okay, now comes the difficult one. You see, the actual distance is 600 meter. Let me write down. But I'm going to give myself space. It's very difficult to get from 80 to 600. So, I'm going to introduce the magic number 1. If I want to get 80 to number 1, 80 is big, number 1 is small. Should I multiply or divide? Divide. Divide by how much? Divide by itself, not divide by what? How to get 80 to 80 divide by what? 80. Hold on first, later I'll show. Okay? I'll go to magic number 1 first. So if I divide by 80 on the right side, am I right to say I must also divide by 80 on the left? So I divide by 80, What is 1 divided by 80? Never mind. Just write in fraction. You can press calculator. Okay, why? Why I want magic number 1? I say again, When I say magic number 1, big number to small number, you divide. Now, from number 1 to 600, multiply, right? Small to big, multiply by how much? 1 to get to 600, you multiply by 600. If I multiply by 600 on the right, I must also do so on the left. So take your calculator, 1 over 80 times 600. Oh, 600, thank you. 0.75, like what Benjamin say. 7.5. Oh yeah, 7.5. Thank you. Then they want it in centimeter on the map. 7.5, 7.5, both are acceptable. So this will be your answer. Okay, now I'm going to show Williams' method. Take note, if you want to use Williams' method, we want to change 80 to 600 meter. How do I make the change? I need to use a big number, which is 600, divide by the smaller number. So what is reflected on my calculator is 7.5 or 7.5. Then what do I do with this? Okay, so I told myself on the calculator is 7.5. But as I keep saying, if I want to change a small number to big number, do I multiply or divide? Multiply. So if I multiply by 7.5 on the left, I must multiply by 7.5 on the right. What is 1 multiplied by 7.5? You can press calculator. Hey, what do you observe? Williams' method, I also get the same answer as 7.5. Okay, so I'm showing you 2 different methods. Alright? Okay, that's it.